Hello everyone, my name is Shambhavi. Hope you all are doing well. So as you all know that I come live on Sunday onto my YouTube channel Fun with Data Science. So yeah, similarly on 6th of February, that Sunday, I'll be coming live onto my YouTube channel Fun with Data Science. So what are we going to cover into that? So we'll be covering up the Python project, a good Python project with the help of some libraries that will be able to showcase into your resumes. Okay, other than that, what's gonna be special into this live stream which we're gonna have upon 6th of February, timing 5 p.m. Different is that there you will be getting a surprise gift from my side. Now what's that surprise gift? It's a mystery. Keep solving that out and do join me to get the answer of the surprise gift, to get this surprise gift on to 6th of February, 5 p.m. in the evening, and the day is Sunday. Okay, mark up your calendars and do join me live. Again, I would repeat, the day is 6th of February on Sunday, 5 p.m. See you there in the live stream and avail your gift surprises as well there only. So this is all for now. Till then, thank you and take care.